Stephanie Tripodi makes drinks for others, but by the end of her shift, she could use one too to soothe her COVID worries.
You really never know. Like, you don't know who the people you're interacting with on a daily basis, who they've been in contact with. So you're really just kind of just gambling.
The bartender has mixed emotions about having to work as COVID cases climb.
It's a tough call because, you need to make money and you need to pay rent and pay bills.
Her apprehension shared in Ottawa, where people 6 feet apart lined all along the block for COVID tests. They tell the story of a province's upward surge. Today, 401 reported cases in Ontario, the highest daily number since June. An acknowledgement action is needed.
We cannot run at government speed. We have to run at COVID speed.
Next week, pharmacies here will help pitch in with testing. And the Premier hints he will be cracking down on COVID by bringing in further penalties for big parties in even more communities across the province. Toronto's mayor is also promising more rules.
We did discuss the notion of sorting out some of the legalities, if I can put it that way, of what more we might do with respect to masks.
Medical experts agree increased penalties and enforcement might help flatten Canada's curve.
A lot of people will not change their behavior if there's no consequences to their actions.
As the trend pushes upward, some doctors say even more restrictive measures are needed.
We are going to have to dial back, and the longer we wait, the worse it's going to be.
But for now, no new closures, no new lockdowns, and always the chance of infection. And like many Canadians, it's a risk she has to take. Katie Nicholson, CBC News, Toronto.